Today I'm going to show you an amazingly simple tool that will give you a calmer classroom. It's called a Theraband, and as an occupational therapist, it's one of my favourite tools that can be used in primary and secondary schools. This simple elastic band helps students with sensory processing issues improve their focus and attention. Now, does this sound familiar in your classroom? Do you have students that roll on the floor or walk around when others are sitting? That constantly swing or jiggle their feet when sitting on their chair? That climb on equipment and jump off tables and chairs? That are known for being active and on the go? Or are always making noises with their mouth during class? These behaviours can be distracting for you and your students. But what is important to understand, behaviours like this indicate that these students are having difficulty with their sensory processing. They are seeking movement to calm their bodies so they can actually listen and learn better. So let me show you how easy it is to use the Theraband. Tie the Theraband tightly around the front legs of a student's chair. This creates resistance against their feet when they push against it. This is called heavy work. Now let me explain the science. Heavy work is deep proprioceptive pressure to the body that releases serotonin and dopamine in the brain, which helps the student to calm down, self-regulate, reduce anxiety by reducing stress hormone levels, reduce hyperactivity, and most importantly, studies have proven that this greatly increases focus and attention. So, how do we introduce the Theraband to your students and your class? Firstly, it's important to explain to your student that the Theraband is a learning tool, not a toy. You want to normalise it. So explain to your student that the Theraband is being used in other classes and schools across the territory. Tie the Theraband around the front legs of the chair and explain that when they push their legs and feet against the Theraband, their brain releases chemicals to help their body calm down and relax. When their body is relaxed, they are able to listen, to concentrate and to learn. Now, for some students, they respond immediately to the Theraband, but for others, it's important to incorporate the Theraband into their daily routine, and it may take up to a couple of weeks for their bodies to respond and regulate. So if you want a calmer classroom, try the Theraband with your sensory students and see for yourself the difference it can make.